Okay, if we want to blend colors on wet, we have to make a really wet background. So I'm filling all my background with clean water. And I keep it very wet, so when I finish doing my background, it will stay wet. Because if I have very little water on my brush, then by the time I finish the whole background, where I started, that spot will be dry by then. So I keep it as wet as I can. And now I decided that I want to do yellow background, and I probably want to mix it with and I clean my brush to make sure that I mix it only on the paper but not in the paint. And I mix it with blue. And I let it run freely. And now I want to mix it with a different blue. And I can let it keep running freely. And now I want to mix it with let's say a little bit of different green. And I let it run freely.